debt was abruptly and publicly cancelled. As president of the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, Jacob Zuma issued a decision to suspend Dr. John Hlophe from his role as the party's deputy president and leader of its parliamentary caucus. The stated reason was a breach of collective leadership. Hlophe had unilaterally effected leadership changes in parliament without consulting Zuma or the party's top structures. But you know, there's no party top structures. The party top structures is Jacob Zuma and Duduzile Zuma. That's a fact. The irony is stuck. John Hlophe was removed from his judicial post for a breach of judicial independence on behalf of Jacob Zuma. He was removed from his political post for a breach of party discipline on behalf of the party Zuma controls. In the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, unlike